G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Okay, I have my daily EDC kit sorted now. Okay, as I said previously, I have to go to places. Oh, I was getting a bag of charcoal. It's Friday, so yes, there will be fire. Anyway, so I have to go to places where you're not really allowed to carry knives or weapons or things like that with you. But so far, this kit has worked for me. So nobody has said anything. No security guard has batted an eye, anything like that. Okay, let's start at the beginning. This is my keys. Remember we did this little setup a while back where I just hung all of my things on one of these little U-loops. And then I have one of these screw-off things for when I'm driving or when I want to take off the little knife. I always have this thing with me, and I love this. Okay, so that's working perfectly. Then, I got this wonderful thing from Strauss and Co Leather Company. I will put that in the description. Actually, there's 3 new YouTube channels I want to tell you about, but I'll do that at the end. Anyway, so well, South African YouTube channels, things that I quite like. Anyway, so this thing is marvelous. Okay, it's not a leather wallet, but I like this because I don't have to carry 2 things. I carry this. Inside here, I've got a pick and pay card. It's essential in South Africa. Medical aid, few bank cards, grandpa, and a few band-aids. Okay, then, oh, and if you have money, you can also put that in there. I don't, so yes. Okay, then at the back, I carry this. My little Swiss Army knife with my cool little lanyard bead thing on it. This is the little bantam. This knife can do anything you need to do every day wonderfully. Okay, and it's a cool knife. Then over here we have this thing, which is the cap lifter and can opener all in one pry bar / flathead screwdriver. Okay. So if I have that, I don't need to carry extra pry bars and things with me because I don't pry a lot in life. Now ask me, why do you have this thing at, it looks quite cool, né? Yes, it looks marvelous. Okay, anyway, so why do I have this thing at the back? Because if I put this in the sleeve, let's say like that, and I turn it around, it's falling out. But if I put this thing in there with it, and I shove it in there, then it's going nowhere. Okay, so the little lanyard is more for, I don't know, keeping it in there. Anyway, then on this side, I have the coolest little thing in the world. This is one of those little true utilities. It says it somewhere, true utility, and I have had this thing for many years. And what makes this so cool is this is my little pen. Book. And then you have a pen. Okay, the refill is like this short, but you can pretty much cut off any other cheap ballpoint pen and shove it in there, which makes it fantastic. And then when you close it again, it book, folds up like that. Isn't that marvelous? Okay, again, why do I have the big, not O-ring, what do you call this, split ring keychain thing on there? For the same reason, otherwise it falls out. Now if I put it in like that, it will stay there. Okay, so there's my wallet / EDC pouch all in one from Strauss & Co Leather. Anyway, so I love this thing. Then, every day I carry these things with me. Now they are bifocals or whatever you call that, where they do the big at the bottom and far lookers at the front. But without them, I cannot see. Okay, so I have that every day. It's a new pair. I used to have the normal black ones, but because of grinding and welding, they had little spots on the lenses. So I carry this thing either in a bag with me or in the car or something. I have these things stashed all over the place from Swartbaard EDC. Now these little microfiber cloths on the inside are fantastic for cleaning your spectacles. Okay, sometimes I carry this one in my pocket, but mostly I'll carry something like this in my pocket. Just the normal cotton hank. Okay, something you can blow your nose with, wipe sweat off your brow, do whatever you need to do with your handkerchief. They are extremely useful. Okay, So it's going to be a hank, this thing, and my keys. That's my normal setup. Oh, and then of course my wonderful G-Shock. This is the True Solar or Tough Solar. Now you can see it needs to be tough because I've been banging this thing against everything. If you saw that video of my wonderful little Chinese knife that I bought and they sent it all the way from China, that one is wonderful. It's small, it's cheap, nobody cares about it. But I've seen every 2 weeks I have to adjust it 5 minutes forward because it's losing about 5 minutes every 2 weeks. Okay, so yeah, that's the downside of going cheap. Anyway, so this is my kit. Now, this thing has gone through metal detectors. You know, when they say, please take out your wallet, put it in that little tray. Then I put it in the little tray, it goes through. The guy hands it to me on the other side, and nobody has ever said anything. So far, I am quite happy with this kit as it stands. Okay, but if we, for example, go somewhere at night, let's say we are going to a braai and it's people that they don't live close to us, then I will swap out things. And this wallet makes it so easy. I don't have to take extra pouches. I don't have to fill my pockets with goodies. I can just shove in something like this little O-light. You can even use it with the clip, but I won't do that because it's going to scratch my phone, because I put both of these, this and my phone, in the same pocket. And then maybe swap it out for a bit bigger knife, not something huge, but something like this. Okay, and again, we can put that thing in there, no problem, easy peasy. Actually, you should do it the other way around. This pocket is a bit shorter than that pocket. Okay, and then you do it like that, and then I can still carry everything as one little unit. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, so now while I have this thing in my pocket, maybe a hank, well, I have kids, so pretty much always a hank to wipe snotty little faces and ice cream and whatever else they get on them. My kids are still small, 4 and 2, so 4 and 6. So yeah, it's a very annoying age to have kids. Okay, anyway, and then if I'm carrying it like this, I won't take anything else with me. But if I'm carrying it like I would normally carry it when I'm at work, let's say I have this thing in there now and I'm going to work, and I come back in the afternoon and we say, let's go somewhere, then I will just slip this thing into my pocket because I love this thing so much. This is definitely one of my all-time favorite EDC knives. Like I said, big enough to do everything, small enough to still be pocketable, awesome steel for everything. The micarta just looks fantastic. I love this thing. Okay. Oh, and then of course my phone, which you are, well, I'm looking at you through it. Anyway, it's a, what did the guy at the thing tell me? I went there to, remember my phone died a year or so ago, and it was a big tragedy and I couldn't do anything in life and my whole world fell apart. Because I used this for my whole YouTube operation. Okay. And then the guy said, I asked him, okay, give me something with the camera and the biggest battery you have. And he gave me S31, Samsung S31. I'm going to stick with that. I think it's that. Anyway, so this is this thing. So yes, so that is my pretty much always EDC kit. Now, this thing I will change out. For example, if I'm trying something else or trying something new or carrying something because I want to do a review on it or whatever, then I will leave that one and carry something else. Or if I'm at home or weekends or whatever, weekends I kit like Rambo when I'm outside of the house. Actually, I'm kidding. I'm the worst person to ask for a knife because it always takes me like 5 minutes to get one. But anyway, so that is my whole EDC kit. I've been looking for this specific kit for so long. Okay. Now I forgot the green handkerchief. I was looking for that green handkerchief from Swartbaard EDC for so long because it matches this thing, and now I forgot that one. Okay, anyway, it's in a drawer behind me. That's me for Friday. Really hope you enjoy your Friday. Really hope you enjoy your weekend. And now before I go, there's 3 channels I need you to start checking out. They're all South African channels. It is Redbeard EDC. I will put links in the description. Redbeard EDC. Then it is Reaperworx Customs. Remember at one stage I did this giveaway with him. Reaperworx Customs, he started his own channel now. He's going to make his own knife. So that's going to be fantastic. And he does a few customs in between. Well, I think he's got like 3 videos up so far. So anyway, go give it a look. And then the other one is Strauss and Co Leather. Okay, he started his own channel also not a lot of videos, but he's got like a few videos out already. Okay, these 3 are completely different. Okay, 2 of them speak, actually one of them speaks a lot, one of them do not speak at all, and the other one is a very honest guy. 2 of them has a lot of tattoos, one of them I don't think has any tattoos. One is about knife mods, one is about leather work, and the other one is like me, just a guy that's very enthusiastic about knives. Okay, so yes, go have a look, see if you like it. If you don't, still subscribe. And then, of course, if you haven't subscribed to this yet, also do that. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.